Can a simple drink really transform your weight loss journey? What if I told you that starting your day with a delicious smoothie could do just that? Welcome to Smoothie Secrets for Weight Loss, a captivating journey into how these nutrient-packed drinks can aid your health and help you shed those extra pounds. Hey there, smoothie lovers! Today we're diving into the world of smoothies designed to help you with your weight loss goals. We'll explore 4 unique dairy-free recipes. But before we start blending, let's talk about an important concept. Our bodies don't recognize smoothies as drinks, but rather as food. This means that when enjoying smoothies, it's crucial to treat them with the same respect as a meal. Drink them slowly, savoring each sip, to give your body time to digest and absorb all those nutrients efficiently. Now let's get blending. First up is our Green Detox Delight. This powerhouse smoothie combines the cleansing benefits of leafy greens with bright lemon and invigorating ginger. Spinach and kale are loaded with fiber, keeping you full longer and aiding digestion, key factors in any successful weight loss strategy. Green apple and cucumber keep things hydrated, while ginger and lemon ramp up your metabolism. And here it is, a refreshing start to your day. Just remember to pause and take your time sipping this smoothie. After all, your body thinks this is food. Now let's move on to the Berry Blast Smoothie, a sweet and satisfying treat. Berries are superfoods packed with antioxidants and fiber, which help reduce inflammation and encourage better digestion. Coconut yogurt brings a creamy texture without dairy, along with probiotics for gut health. Deliciously creamy and fulfilling. And don't forget, sipping slowly allows your body to recognize this goodness and can enhance your feelings of fullness. Perfect for those craving control over snacking. Ready to escape to the tropics? Let's whip up our tropical turmeric whirl. With pineapple and mango, you're getting essential enzymes that promote digestion and boost metabolism. And turmeric, that golden spice partnered with black pepper, fights inflammation and helps accelerate fat burning. This smoothie tastes like a vacation. Remember, take your time enjoying each sip. It's not just a drink, it's your body nourishing itself. Finally, for our spice lovers, here's the spicy metabolism booster. Oranges and carrots provide a burst of vitamin C and beta-carotene, while ginger and cayenne pepper give this blend a seriously zesty kick, revving up your metabolism and aiding calorie burn. This spicy delight is not just refreshing, it's a metabolism booster. Take it slow. Enjoying it gradually helps your body process the nutrients effectively, keeping you satisfied longer. And there you have it, 4 delicious dairy-free smoothies to kickstart your weight loss journey. Remember, these aren't just beverages, they're nutrient-packed meals that your body needs to treat with care and attention. Sip slowly and give your body the time it needs to absorb all the goodness. So blend up your favorites and toast to a healthier, vibrant you. If you loved these recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your smoothie experience with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching. For more delicious tips and health-boosting recipes, stay tuned and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, keep blending and thriving.